How to find children of nodes using BeautifulSoup. I want to get all the tags which are children of. I know how to find element with particular class like this. But I don't know how to find all which are children of but not any others. Like I want to select.
Try this.
There's a super small section in the docs that shows how to find/find_all direct children. This URL. In your case, as you want link 1, which is first direct child. If you want all direct children.
Perhaps you want to do.
How to find all of which are children of but not any others. Given the HTML below, I added another to show TE difference between select and select_1. The solution is to use child combinator that is placed between two CSS selectors. In case you want to find only the first child,
try this. Other reminders. The find method only gets the first occurring child element. The find_all method gets all descendant elements and are stored in a list.
Just watch out, click on the button.